Hi, my soapy friends. A little extra live stream for you today. I need to measure these oils. These oils are all expired. They were all donated to me by some of my friends here in Tucson, Arizona, my Buy Nothing group. And we're going to make soap out of these oils, even though they are expired. They smell a little funny. And that's what the members exclusive class is for this quarter, is expired and rancid oil soap making. Now, it's not gross, I promise. I really promise. The soaps are going to be amazing too. See, this is made from expired coconut oil. It smells amazing. This is the one I put some Rainforest Chica Brazilian clay into it just to make it look pretty. And this is my favorite part about these. Okay, here's some end pieces. Here's some water. Look, they float. They float. Floating soaps that by the time we're done cleaning up the oils and doing all of our wonderful soapy magic on them, they can be the most amazing soaps you want them to be. And they float. Okay, so I've got my little notebook here. I've got a bucket. We're going to open these up. We're going to take a sniff. Maybe I should have like an extra bucket for, no, really, it'll be okay. I won't vomit from the smell of oil. Okay, let's see if I can open this one up. But I just kind of need to inspect and see what we're going to be working with. And then I need to go and do a bunch of math so I can work out all of the necessary ingredients to saponify all this, clean it all out and all that. And that's what we're going over in the class. Okay, so this is the coconut oil. Okay, here we go. Okay, it smells. It really does smell. This is organic virgin coconut oil from Costco. I think the date's on the bottom of it, or maybe this is one that was worn off. Okay, let me see how much yeah. It's not a good smell. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm pouring that in. All right. Oh, okay, it's not like super like vomit inducing smell. It's just, you know, you open a thing of coconut oil and you expect organic, wonderful coconut oil smell. And this is like, I don't know. Oh, kind of like, remember that coconut scented suntan when, at least when I was a kid, maybe you went swimming and you had that on and then you left all of those wet towels with that smell in the back of the car and then they dried and got a little mildewy and yeah, that's kind of what it smells like. Okay, so that's the coconut. All right, so we have, and I'm measuring in grams here, coconut oil, 1,286.5 grams of the funny smelling coconut oil. Woo! Okay. Next up, this is mystery oil. So this was in someone's refrigerator for a few years. Their son was experimenting with just like cooking and oh, this one. That's kind of, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of oil paint. My grandmother's art studio. It smells like oil paint. Okay. It's not like, okay, it's kind of, maybe it's a good smell for nostalgia reasons. I don't know. But okay, let's see here. We have 152 grams. And I will be talking about how we're going to deal with the sap value of an unknown oil in class 2. All right, this is canola oil. How old is this sucker here? Oh, this expired 2 years ago. Oh, I was going to look at that coconut oil for you too. How long does it take coconut oil to expire? I think this is the one that we didn't know Oh, no, it's on the lid. Okay, let's see here. Oh, it looks like January of this year, so not too far gone. It was really stinky though, considering. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. Let's see the canola oil. What did I say? This expired 2 years ago. I don't know. I mean, it smells. I mean, none of them smell like they should. I mean, I've got canola oil infusing over there for some shampoo. And this, I don't know, it's got a weird smell. Oh, let me tear this out. Okay, so our canola oil. Adding that into our bucket of yucky oils. All right, we have 739 grams of funny smelling canola oil. All right. And then, I don't know, my bucket might not be big enough. I had a gallon bucket. I guess I got more than a gallon of oils here. My goodness. Comments, I think I should be able to see them. I'm on my phone, so I think I should be able to see your comments. Go ahead and drop them if you got them coming in. Okay, let's smell. Now this one is Kirkland Vegetable Oil. Oh, kind of, ugh. It has the oil paint smell, but with like, a spiky, yucky oof at the end. Okay, that one's not, oh, that's stinky too. All right, this one expired February 25th, 2023. So about a year and a half old. Okay, let's see how much of this we have. See if it'll fit in here. Oh, it should. I hope. It's going to go all the way to the tippy top. All right, let me get this too. That's, I'm going to pour this last bit off into another container here. My bucket is full. 1,720 grams. Very full bucket. And I can just get a smaller one here. And let's measure out the rest of it. Okay. 1720 plus. Okay, 1720 plus 418, 8, 3, 1. 2,138 grams. 2,138 grams. This is going to make a lot of soap. Okay, so we'll add 150. I'm just going to do some rounding. So that's 229, and then we had 740. That's 3,000 grams. 4,000. 1, 2, 8, 6, 6, 8, 11, 3. We have about 4,400 grams of oils here. That's a lot of soap. That's going to make quite a bit of soap. I think, yeah, 100 grams of oil, and then we're going to have to process it and clean it. There's going to be some waste, but 100 grams will give us, a bar. But we might actually get some larger because the bars are light. They weigh a lot less than a non-floating soap. So we might get like about, I'm going to say 60 bars of soap out of this. That's amazing. From something that you would normally just throw away. Okay, I'm going to go do some math. I'm going to get all of the mathy stuff up on the lessons for you. The lessons are available to all members over at soapyfriends.com. And yeah, we're going to turn all this nasty, stinky weirdness into some amazing soaps. All right, so I promised I'd show you measuring them out and give you the feedback on the smell. The smell is not super bad just sitting here standing in front of it. They do smell off though. They are expired oils, and we're going to make some amazing soaps out of them. All right. Thanks for popping in, my soapy friends. There is a new live for you on the page down below, full video of making some soap about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. So you can go catch that, and there's other fun stuff up on YouTube, but definitely go check out the new class on the rancid and expired oils over on soapyfriends.com. And until next time, happy soaping. Bye-bye, everyone.